Okay, Wildcats. Let's first start out by marking out C. And let's take a look at 4.3, relating inverses of transformations. Recall that the inverse of an exponential function is a logarithmic function. Let's explore how the transformation of an exponential function and its inverse are related. 1. Consider the function f of x equals 2 to the x and g of x equals f inverse of x, or log base 2 of x. The graph of f of x and g of x are provided. Let's take a look at the next page. The student works 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. 2. Generalize the effects of the transformations on f of x and its inverse function, f inverse of x. Complete the table to organize your results. Go ahead and read and complete the table. All right. Three. Consider the function y equals f of x and the transformed function g of x. Write an equation for g inverse of x in terms of f inverse of x. For A, when g of x equals f parentheses x minus 1, g inverse of x equals f inverse of x plus 1. B, when g of x equals f of x minus 2, g inverse of x equals f inverse of x plus 2. C, when g of x equals f parentheses x plus 5, g inverse of x equals f inverse of x minus 5. D, when g of x equals f parentheses x minus 4 plus 3, g inverse of x equals f inverse of x minus 3 plus 4. All right, let's take a look at the next page. Go ahead and mark out this page. Go ahead and mark out this page. Seven, given the function f of x, write the equation for the inverse function f inverse of x, then graph the inverse function. All right, let's go ahead and mark out A and B, and let's take a look at C. When f of x equals negative 5 to the x, the corresponding points are 0, negative 1, 1, negative 5. Let's go ahead and graph those now. So 0, negative 1, 1, negative 5. And we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. And our corresponding graph is like so. All right, now when you do inverse, you switch points. So this becomes negative 1, 0, negative 5, 1. You also switch the asymptote. It was y equals 0, now it's x equals 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph those points. So negative 1, 0. Negative 5, 1. Asymptote is x equals 0. Okay, and your graph is like so. And so we can distinguish the graphs. Let's go ahead and correspond them with color. So that's this graph is here. And this graph is here. All right, go ahead and finish that up. Go ahead and mark out this page. The teacher works to, Little typo. The student works 2A and 2B. Go ahead and write this down for A, and then go ahead and write this down for B. All right. Go ahead and mark this page out. Go ahead and mark this page out. Finish up your notes, start working on an assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.